Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a drop shadow to an image or shape in Adobe Photoshop. You should be able to add the effect to just about any type of layer. I'll also include ways to customize the shadow, but each option will of course be up to you depending on how you want your images to look. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up Photoshop and the first thing you need to do is add your shape or image you want to add the shadow to. With it added, the method is fairly simple. Double click on the object's layer in the Layers panel and it should open up the Effects window. Double click on the area to the right of the name as it may try to rename it if you click on the name. In the Effects window, look down the list of options for the one called Drop Shadow. Click on it once and it should apply the default shadow. If it doesn't, click on the checkbox to the left of where it says Drop Shadow. We'll now go through some of the ways to customize the shadow. You should be able to see how your changes affect it live, so make sure the effects window isn't covering the object as we can use it as a preview. Within the Drop Shadow effects window, the first option to change is the blend mode. This will affect how the shadow blends with the layers below it. If the shadow and shape is the only layer, it won't matter which you choose. This is up to you, and you might want to test a few out. We'll be leaving it on normal for this example. The colours of the drop shadow can be changed by clicking once on the current colour to the right of the blend mode. Under this you can change the opacity. This is how strong the shadow will be, so turn it up to make the shadow darker and more pronounced, or turn it down to make it more subtle. Another important way to customize the shadow is the angle. This is the angle at which the light is coming from. So if we want a drop shadow that is towards the bottom right, we should set the angle to 135 degrees. The distance, spread and size all affect the appearance and size of the shadow. You can change how big the shadow is, where the shadow is placed, and how soft it could be in appearance by changing these settings. It's best to play around with these settings until the shadow looks how you want it to. Finally, the quality options will allow you to change mainly how the edges of the shadow will appear, as well as the noise of the shadow. Click on OK once you are happy with your selections. And so that is how to add a drop shadow to an image or shape in Adobe Photoshop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. And if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.